My name is Alexander Dubovoy. I'm a freelance full-stack developer and musician based in Berlin, Germany. I have played piano for pretty much my whole life, and I come originally out of the jazz tradition. When I was a kid, I used to play all the time, and over time, music became a greater part of my life, and I started performing professionally. I don't need to tell you, though, that making a living in the music industry is not the easiest thing. And so at a certain point, I realized that I needed a career that could have the flexibility to combine well with music. I started learning about computer music and realized that there were also creative ways to use code. So about a year ago, I decided to enroll in Wagon Berlin. During the bootcamp, I met all kinds of interesting people from different countries and radically different backgrounds. And I've stayed close with many of these people and continued to see them around Berlin or as I've been traveling. Immediately after the bootcamp, I spent some time starting as a freelancer and did some teaching for Wagon, including in Tokyo, Japan. In February of this year, I moved back to Berlin full-time and founded a freelancing collective with two other Wagon alumni called Obst Digital. And now we build digital products for a variety of different clients, and it's been really fun to build something new and to see how quickly it's been expanding. I love that as a freelancer, I can construct the kind of work-life or often work-music balance that I'd like. It's no problem if I want to go on tour, and I can arrange that with my existing client base. And it means that I have the ability to build the lifestyle that I really want to. I'm always learning something new. That might be learning to play a new piece or learning a new coding language, but I feel that there's a lot of connection between these modes of practice. I really feel that Wagon has helped me find my direction.